she did say that my scalp was fully healed. No psoriasis here, baby. Okay, we don't claim that. No ma'am. No ma'am. Hello honey gang, and welcome back to the channel. If you are new, welcome, and if you are not, welcome back. If you have not already joined the honey gang, what are you waiting for? What are you waiting for? Go ahead and smash that subscribe button down below, join the honey gang, and make sure you hit that bell and turn on your post notifications so you know every time I upload. Okay, now let's get into it. Y'all see this hair? Ooh-wee. Look at this hair. I don't even think I did a video of it at home. Not too much has really changed since last month. It is, I think, getting longer, for sure. And I think less frizz too. And then they're starting to, more of them are starting to lock to the ends. So today, honey, y'all know what today is. Today is Retwist Day. Yes, I am so excited for it, okay? We're either getting retwisted or we are getting interlocked. I'm not exactly sure what we're doing yet, but we're doing one or the other. And we're possibly getting a style. So I'm supposed to be going to Atlanta next week. I don't know what style to get, but y'all know I always end up taking my styles down after like a few days anyway. So the style may not even make it to Atlanta. Today is Thursday the 10th, I think. And we leave next Tuesday, so it probably won't even make it. So it don't even matter. Anywho, I am just so excited to finally be getting it done. It has been, I want to say like 8 weeks. For sure, at least 6. So I am so excited. We're kind of doing this vlog style again. I like doing this. I hope you guys do too. Let me know down below which one you guys prefer. So yeah, let's go. We about to go get this hair done. Okay? Okay. Down. All right, y'all, so this is the final look. Look at them. I'm gonna give y'all a better view when I get home. Baby, my scalp is so tender. Like, ooh, that interlocking ain't no joke, okay? Like, it ain't no joke. Anywho, so she went on ahead and did the front for me. And I liked her method that she used while interlocking. So I'll tell you guys a little bit about that once I get home and I'm really showing y'all my hair. So yeah, stay tuned for that. Hello honeys, welcome back to my channel. If you are new, welcome, and if you are not, welcome back. And if you have not already subscribed, honey, go ahead and hit that subscribe button down below and make sure you hit that bell to make sure you know every time I upload. So let's get into it. So first of all, let me go ahead and admit that I am a few days late with doing this. So I got my hair done last Thursday. It is currently Monday. So I really tried really hard to go on and get this done the day that I got my hair done, but it doesn't work out. But this is what it is looking like, you guys. And it pretty much looks the same from when I did get it done on Thursday. It pretty much looks the same. I've only put a little bit of oil in it and a little bit of my rinse water. If y'all have not got your hands on this, ooh, baby, get into it, okay? I showed y'all where I got this from in a vlog that I just put up. So if you haven't checked out the vlog that I just put up, go ahead and check that out. But yeah, so this is what it's looking like, you guys. This is my, well, I won't say retwist. We did do interlocking again. So be on the lookout for an updated or an actual interlock versus retwist video, since I guess we're actually interlocking now. We kind of made that decision that we would go ahead and interlock again. This is what my hair is looking like. So I hope you guys can see the difference between interlocking versus getting it retwisted. So basically the new growth is being tied or retied or whatever into the lock. We didn't experience any thinning or anything like that from me getting it interlocked the first time, so I'm not really too concerned about that. But in a few months I'll go ahead and give you guys that video so that I can give you guys my true opinion on interlocking versus getting it regularly retwisted. But this is what it's looking like, you guys. I decided to go ahead and do a style, and y'all know me, I probably won't leave it up long, but I just want to do something different, or not necessarily different, but you know, just have a style, because I hadn't had a style since February, and it's June, so that's a long time. But this is what it's looking like. One thing I can say about interlocking is that it is a little more frizzier, even with it being redone. It is a little more frizzier, and that could have been, you know, products too. I don't know if she changed products or whatever, but it still looks good for the most part. And I can say that the interlocking does last longer. The locks is getting longer, y'all. You probably can't really see it right now because they kind of done shrunk up because they dry. That's the only thing about your lock journey, is that the shrinkage is real. Okay, the shrinkage is real. I'm gonna go ahead and make this my 9th month update as well. Today is the 14th, and I think it would be considered 9 months in like a few days. So I'm gonna go ahead and make this my 9th month update as well. I am getting my locks retwisted about every 6 to 8 weeks now. I'm really trying to let that new growth come on in. And then, you know, I am washing my hair. So if you guys have not checked out that video where I did a wash with me and showed you guys the products that I'm using, go ahead and check out that video. It will be linked below in my lock journey playlist. But I absolutely love those products, and some of those products that I use on the daily to help with my frizz is this. Absolutely love it. So it does really, really good, especially on your hair when it just got done. But go ahead and check out that video that I did, the wash with me, so you can see how it does on hair that has not been retwisted or restyled. The products are really, really good. I really, really love them. Other than that, there's not really too much to update you guys on. Yeah, I mean, the front is doing really, really good. I know we had some concerns there some months ago. But everything is really growing in and flourishing like how it is supposed to. I'm gonna show you guys the back again. As y'all can see, like, they're pretty much locked to the ends for the most part. Like, we've really gotten there. Now, my curlicues, my ones with the curlicues at the ends was mostly the ones right here in the front. So whenever I do take my hair down, I will go ahead and come back on here and give you guys maybe an updated, or maybe I'll just show y'all in my 10th month. Yeah, I'll show y'all in my 10th month update so y'all can see what that looks like. I really don't do take down hair videos anymore. Just because it was getting a little redundant. But if you guys want me to bring those back, just let me know down below. But yeah, you guys, this is pretty much it. We don't have too much going on really as far as 9 months. Just that we ended up getting a style and that we are officially interlocking. We are officially interlocking, you guys. So I'm excited about that. They do last longer. Your parts stay neater longer. I don't think my hair is thinning out at all. So y'all can see, like, this right here is probably all interlocked. Where's another one? So yeah, I don't feel or see anything at all with interlocking. I love it. I don't have a problem with it, especially since I'm working out like 5 times a week because I'm working out Monday through Friday. So I think this is working well for my hair. I'm excited. I love them. I'm ready for them to drop. I'm ready for them to drop, not have so much more shrinkage, and maybe we'll get there by the time we get to my year, which will be in September. So that's coming up really, really soon. So I'm really excited for that. So you guys go ahead and tell me what you think down below. Let me know if you are getting interlocks done, or if you're getting the regular palm twist or the comb. You can do the comb twist too. So let me know down below how you guys are getting your hair retwisted. This is mine. And yes, that's really all I have for you guys. We don't have no drama going on. And she did say that my scalp was fully healed. No psoriasis here, baby. Okay? We don't claim that. No ma'am. No ma'am. Okay? Scalp is looking good. But I had already kind of told y'all that in one of my previous lock videos that the scalp was looking much better, and my loctician confirmed that for me when I got my hair redone. So I'm so happy about that. That tea tree oil, you guys, if you do not have tea tree oil in your routine, get it, add it. It is a must, okay? It is a must. That will take care of your scalp. It'll prevent, it'll treat, it'll heal. Whatever you need it to do, baby, it's gonna do, okay? Period. Anywho, I am not gonna hold you guys long. I hope you guys enjoyed this video and enjoyed my update and enjoyed seeing my hair. I love you guys so much. Please like, comment, and subscribe. And I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.